This segment is sponsored by Virginia Family Dentistry.
We're visiting Virginia Family Dentistry to meet Dr. Colleen Nash about designing a beautiful smile. That's what you specialize in here. It's great to see you.
Great to see you too. Thanks for coming out.
Absolutely. As we talk about designing a beautiful smile, let's dive in and define cosmetic dentistry. This is an area of passion for you.
Yes, the cosmetic dentistry encompasses a whole lot of things. Sometimes people think that cosmetic dentistry is just veneers alone, but really it's not. It's anything that is in your visual smile. So when you smile big, anything that shows, that's part of cosmetic dentistry.
Before we got started, we talked a little bit about the dentist that is the cosmetic dentist. This is actually something that is a little bit of additional training. Who is the cosmetic dentist?
So the cosmetic dentist is, it's not a designated specialty, but it is general dentists who have that particular passion, that they enjoy doing things like smile design, creating new smiles for people. So there's additional courses, tons of courses you can learn a whole lot of things from. It's a part of your education that goes on and on. Once you graduate dental school and you are a dentist, anyone can become a cosmetic dentist, but it really has to be a passion that drives you to do that so that you continue to learn, I hope that's something I never stop learning about.
Dr. Nash, you see patients each and every day who are ready to have that big, beautiful smile. Who is a candidate for cosmetic dentistry?
Well, I'd say anyone is a candidate. Anyone who wants to change something about their smile. It's interesting sometimes that people don't really want to bring it up, or some people are very excited to talk about it, like, I want to change this, I want to change that about my teeth. So I figure that I let people bring it to me. Sometimes I might mention, is there anything you want to change about your smile? If you're happy with your smile, I'm happy with your smile. But if you'd like to change something about it, I'd love to entertain that conversation.
Dr. Nash, is an area of passion in creating these beautiful smiles. You have a certain way that you can get to that design, but you also have different tools and techniques in the toolbox to make this possible.
Yes, you want to make sure that you're having, first of all, a good conversation with the patient, and that's where the smile design comes in. So we sit down and we spend a good time talking about what do you like or not like about your smile. Sometimes people bring in pictures from when they were younger and they're like, I liked the way my teeth used to look and now they don't look that way. Or sometimes they've never had the smile at all. So we really need to know what their expectations are so that we can be driven in the right direction. And that doesn't mean just one thing. Like I said before, people think veneers, that's cosmetic dentistry, but really it's a whole lot of things. We need to figure out, do they need to see a specialist? We've got a great group of specialists we work with to get things set up for the perfect smile. So sometimes we have our orthodontist on board for correcting alignment, putting things in the right place to begin with. Sometimes we've got our periodontist or gum specialist joining us in the efforts to do some contouring of the gums to make everything really look beautiful before we get to that end point of the perfect smile for that patient.
And it may be even something as teeth whitening.
Exactly. Teeth whitening, I think, is the #1 cosmetic procedure in the United States. So that's something we do on a daily basis, and our patients are asking about it all the time. I think it's probably the best thing anyone can do for their smile, and so that's a great conversation to have with your dentist.
I love the idea, too, of the team approach here at Virginia Family Dentistry. Dr. Colleen Nash, thanks for talking with us.
Well, thank you so much. It's been great having you.
Designing beautiful smiles. We're going to share a little information.
Virginia Family Dentistry is located at 10,500 Atlee Station Road in Ashland, Virginia. For more information, give them a call, 804-550-3324, or you can visit them online at vadentist.com. And stay tuned. Virginia This Morning returns after a quick break.